All right, so Chuck's got his Christmas presents here. It's a little bit after Christmas, but we're doing a snow run, and he's gonna open up his presents. And some of them are from me, and then some of them are from, who's that from?
The legend. So
what else does it say on there?
Share with the gang.
All right.
Oh my God.
Stickers. Or
oh boy. So
Here, hold one up to the camera.
air fresheners.
Oh, well, those would smell good, I bet.
Of myself. Death Wobbler Survivor. Oh man, this fits right now. Oh yeah. And
So,
I did survive it. I beat it.
So lately with Chuck's other Jeep, he's been having some troubles with Death Wobble, and he finally conquered it and figured it out. But this shirt fits perfect because he was stressing out there for about a week.
Yep. I thought I had the herpes of Jeeps. Calendar. Oh no. No. Oh my God.
What do you got there?
Well, it's a calendar. And every single picture has butt crack out.
Oh man. Well, that was January in the snow.
Yeah. You know, he never gets any pictures working on the Toyota.
Oh,
Never mind.
so wait, what does that one say? That's
Matt from Matt's Off-Road Recovery and Chuck's ass.
working on the Toyota.
Yep. All right, we're here down. I went down to 4. Matt went down to 6. And I don't know what Sloan's going to, but they're starting to bulge pretty good.
did you see that bulge?
Just because it's getting slick on the road, and it's a lot easier to air down here rather than knee-deep snow. But you got a pretty good group today. It's Hightower's first time out this year in the snow.
No,
he got his. It is your second?
Yeah, we did the tree run.
Okay, yeah. But he got his transmission issues mostly figured out, at least.
They're fixed.
Mechanically, the transmission's in good shape. I will attest to that. Electronically, that's where it gets weary.
Pretty.
But I was worried that he might not even get out in the snow this year after that. But
Here we are.
yeah, I was wrong. Put it on the calendar.
I don't know if I have room on the calendar for that list.
And it is dumping snow. This snow run might not be too extreme. We might not get into a whole lot. Maybe we will, but next weekend, it's gonna be deep here. I guarantee it.
It's like snowball snow.
Oh yeah. Right in a Jeep's natural habitat.
I was trying to get through the window.
Careful, you see all the cracks in that window? He's gonna get it. Oh yeah. Yeah, he was in there. He was in there pretty good.
Secretly airing up Chuck's tires. Plumbed into Hightower. Chuck has left his vehicle, so we're going to pump his tires up for him. He's all the way down the hill. All right, yardstick just went up where I spun out, so he's doing pretty good. All right, yardstick just went up that, now Chuck's struggling. He's getting himself into what we call a beaver situation with that tree there. And Chuck's had to abort mission. So if you notice, he just keeps spinning. And not that long ago, I aired his tires back up when he was parked and using the drone or videoing or something. So when your tires are aired up, it's really hard to go in the snow. Just for the record, I'll even admit, Hightower didn't make it to the left, but yardstick did. But at least I made it to the right. Chuck didn't make it anywhere.
No, I seen you had the trail plugged and he had the trail plugged, so I turned around.
Well, I was just telling the guys on camera that if Chuck would take the time to air down his tires again, he'd probably go better.
I know, I was just going to do that.
Well, what you don't know is when you were parked back on the trail, we pumped them up.
Oh my God. You did that again? I was thinking.
That's why he's spinning it so icy. He's blaming on me for icing up, but I don't know what your tires are at. But
move again?
That's my standard move.
Oh, Jesus. I'm going to have like a bead blaster that just goes in the valve stems where I can just...
A quick release?
Throw 10 pounds in yours.
Oh. What you're going to need is like a Bluetooth display so you know if they've gone up or down.
Yep.
Anyway, I think if you air down again, you'll go a little better.
Yeah, which ones did you air up? All or?
Both back and the front left. my door open. There's a Jeep in the way.
So Matt's rigging up something, some kind of stick in there, because Marty lost his lower shock bolt. So that's what he's got going on in the meantime. Uh-oh.
Every Toyota has a deep friend.
No joke.
I didn't know it was, I thought it was just like that. I'm like, oh yeah, hit that. And then when it went in, I'm like, ooh, I'm trying not to laugh on camera. And I'm like, it's just mud. Chuck hates
I
mud.
can see it.
Boiling up.
Let me know how you